Welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving into one powerful scene from the Yoruba movie titled IYA SEBILI, produced by Kemity and directed by IYA. This scene shows why people say obìnrin tó bá ní sùúrù gbogbo ayé la fi ń bọ́. That means when a woman has patience, the whole world bows to her. Here, IYA SEBILI appears not just as a mother but as a force, a woman who knows exactly what she's doing. But what's more striking, the way her words hold everyone captive. When a woman fights against the world again and again, what truly lies behind it? Is it the truth or just endless battle? In this moment, it's clear IYA SEBILI is no ordinary woman. Every word she drops carries weight. Every move tells a deeper story of pain and survival. Note how the moment she speaks, silent first, it's almost as if her presence itself commands respect. Or as Yoruba would say, àgbà kì í wá lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́. That means when her elder is present, children dare not misbehave. This is the heart of IYA SEBILI, a reminder that she is not someone to be taken lightly. Her words are not just speech, they are warning. That was just one scene, but shows the depth of this movie. What do you think about IYA SEBILI's power in this moment? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you can't wait to watch the battle of this movie, IYA SEBILI, just drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more commentary reviews like this. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Thank you so much.